Learn how to automatically enrich contact profiles with information from your funnel. Drag the Update Contact action into the workflow and open it to configure the contact update. Select the contact property you want to update. You can choose an existing property or create a new custom property if the one you need is not listed. Creating a custom property opens the Contacts page in a new tab. Enter a property name, select a type such as text, number, Boolean, or date, and save it. The new property will then become available in the Update Contact action. Back in the Update Contact action, select the property you want to update. Here, I'm choosing the custom lead stage property and assigning the fixed value New Lead. Every contact who reaches this step will automatically receive this value in their contact profile. You can also select Add Property to update several contact properties within the same action. Depending on the property, you can enter a fixed value or use information collected through the funnel. Once everything is configured, click Save. The Update Contact action is now configured. Contacts who reach this step will automatically be marked as new leads, making them easier to segment and nurture later.